Hello friends, let's talk about today's cue card. So the topic which we are going to discuss today is describe a time when you shared something with others. So it might be sharing anything, sharing your car, sharing your laptop, sharing your room. It could be anything that you have shared with someone. Okay, so the questions were, when did it happen? When means you need to talk about the time. Then the second is, what was the situation? So you need to explain the situation, that why you had to share something with someone. Then the third was whom and what did you share? With whom did you share and what was the item that you shared? And the last is, how did you feel? So how was your expressions about sharing that particular item? Okay, so whenever we're going to start, we always start with a beautiful and brief introduction. So the introduction we have here is, I personally believe that sharing is caring. So sharing is caring is a proverb that we have used here, means if we share something with someone means we care for that person, that is why we are sharing. So I never feel reluctant to share things with others. Reluctant means hesitant. So I was never hesitant to share something with others. In fact, you would say that my grandmother have always taught me to share things with others. Then the first point, when did it happen? When? It was last year. So last year, now what was the situation? Last year my uncle and his family visited us to celebrate New Year. So that was an occasion of New Year. Obviously everybody has their holidays and they wanted to enjoy that with their near and dear ones. So that was the same thought that came to my uncle's mind, and he visited us with his family. So in total there were 4 people, like my uncle, aunt and 2 of my cousins. They planned to stay with us for a couple of days. So for a couple of days means like for 2-3 days they planned to stay with us, since he came after a decade. After a decade means almost after 10 years. So decade means 10 years. So we have to use these words specifically just to attract the examiners, just to let the examiner know that you are using something, the words which are not very commonly used. Okay, so couple of days, decade. Now the situation is, we only have one guest room in our house, and that one guest room obviously wasn't sufficient for 4 people. So now everybody was in dilemma, like how we could solve this problem and how we could manage these 4 people in our family. So obviously I came forward and I offered my help. I just wanted my cousins to stay with me in my room. Okay, so I decided to share my room with 2 of my cousins whose name are Raman and Aman. They both are younger to me. Since we have been staying together in our early childhood, so obviously that was the time I wanted to cherish my childhood days once again, and they were very close to my heart also. So I decided, even without a second thought, means without giving it a thought again, without considering again, without any question, I decided that my cousins would stay with me in my room. Okay, so we all enjoy a cordial and friendly relationship. Cordial and friendly means, when you say a very close relationship means we have a cordial relationship, friendly relationship, amiable, amicable, or we would say that we have an amazing chemistry. Chemistry means understanding. So we understand each other very well. So here when I say that I'm talking about me and 2 of my cousins. Then we played lots of video games. Obviously, like in my room we were all 3. So our parents or uncle and aunt were not there. So nobody was there who could stop us from talking and playing. So we kept on playing till late. So we played lots of video games to relive our childhood. Relive means we wanted to live our childhood days once again. And in fact, we felt nostalgic. Feeling nostalgic means when you think about your past a lot, when you think about your past memories, that is nostalgic. So we felt nostalgic. We kept on talking till wee hours. Wee hours means early morning hours. So we are the morning hours after midnight. Let's say when we talk about 3 o'clock in the morning, early morning, right? So that is VRs. So we kept on talking. In fact, we watched old videos and photographs. So we were doing so many different activities, talking, kept on talking, watching photos and videos, played lots of video games, and so many talks about the memories, about the time we spent together in our childhood. Although I have never shared my room before, now why I'm chosen to talk about my sharing my room, because I have never shared my room before with anybody. But this time, obviously, it was a great and fun filled experience to share it with my cousins. So fun filled means with a lot of fun, exciting and enthusiastic experience for me. And we all welcomed the new year together. In the new year eve, we cut the cake, we danced a lot, we celebrated, and obviously after 3 days my uncle and both of my cousins, they went back to their place. But still, the memories that I spent with them, I always cherish. Okay, so this is how we have discussed the topic. I think you have understood the topic nicely, and you'll be speaking in your final exam with good vocabulary words. So keep learning with me. All the best.